Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Year of the Ox. 2021 is a year of the Ox, starting from February 12, 2021, Chinese Lunar New Year Day, and lasting until January 31, 2022. It will be a metal ox year. The recent zodiac years of ox sign are 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, 2021, 2033, and ox year occurs every 12 years.
Let's help you make your mark.
The new year is bringing good luck in all aspects of life according to what stars and planets have to say about the upcoming year. 2021 will surely heal the wounds of 2020. Though all the zodiacs are going to reap very good results, Libra, Scorpio and Taurus are going to be the most favored ones.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.